we will learn how to make this peacock feathers. These are the materials required. First, you're going to take a darker blue yarn and place it on your two fingers, making an X with it. Now, you're going to pull the yarn which is backside to the front and making a slip knot like so. Pull it through. You can make however you're comfortable with, but this is the best way how I make my slip knot. Now you are going to make chain 2. So we are not using any magic ring for making this. So this is extremely beginner friendly. You're going to make chain 1, then chain 2, and now the first chain that you made, as you see, the first chain that we made, we are going to place a double crochet in that. So basically it's the chain that will work like a magic ring. So first we are going to place a yarn over and we are going to place that double crochet in the first chain, then pull a yarn through it and pull through two loops at once. Similarly, we are going to make another double crochet where we are going to pull through two loops at once. We are going to make 10 double crochets in the same way, including the ones we made. So yes, we are going to make 10 double crochets in the same chain 1 with a darker blue yarn. Now we are going to change the yarn color to light blue. For that we will make a loop and simply going to make it through the yarn and going to chain 1 to secure the yarn, and then we are also going to do same double crochets, but for now we are going to do 5 double crochets in the same chain. So yarn over, pull through two loops at once. We are going to make 5 double crochets with light blue yarn, and at the end, after we are done making 5, we are going to slip stitch in the first chain that we made. Yes, there you go. Now we are going to chain 1 to secure it, and in the same chain that we made we are going to do a single crochet, and then we are going to do 3 single crochet increments. So now we are going to do an increment which is 2 single crochets in one. Now we are going to do single crochet increment more 2 times. So basically after doing that chain 1, we are going to do single crochet increment 3 times till we reach the middle. Once we are done doing 3 single crochet increment, in the next chain we are going to place 3 single crochet in the same chain. So we are going to place 3 single crochet in the same chain and then continue doing 3 single crochet increment till the end. But at the end we are also going to add 1 single crochet along with a slip stitch. So single crochet increment, and another single crochet and increment. So after we change the yarn, it will be a little difficult to see where we have to put the chain, but I hope you will get it right. Another single crochet and increment. Now we are almost near the end. Now we are going to do a single crochet and we will see a V like thing. Now we are going to do slip stitch in the first chain that we made. A little difficult to find it, but just slip stitch. Now we are going to do the row 3 where we are going to do single crochet but we are going to change the yarn. So we are going to just cut the yarn, and now we are going to change the color to yellow. We will find the middle parting from which there's a heart like shape formed. We are going to change the yarn again. So just take your yarn thread to green color and pull it through. So we are changing it to a lighter green. We are pulling through the chain, and once we pull it through, we are going to chain one to secure it. Once we do the chain one like so, now in the same chain where we did the chain one, we are going to put a single crochet, and from there we are going to start our row 3. So we are going to do 17 single crochets. So simply single crochet 1, then another single crochet, and another single crochet. So we are not doing any other thing, we are just putting single crochets till we reach the center. So continue doing your single crochets. Once we reach the center, we are going to do single crochet. Once we reach the center, we are going to do a single crochet, then chain 1 and another single crochet in the same stitch to make a peak. Now we will continue doing our another set of 17 single crochets till the end. So once you are done making single crochets, your last single crochets, just do a last slip stitch in the chain 1 that we made. So we are basically repeating the same thing but with different steps. So slip stitch is mandatory. Now we are again going to change our color, yarn color, to yellow. So we are only left with 3 more rows, but these last 3 rows actually shape the whole peacock feather. Changing our yarn color to yellow, we have pulled through the yarn and we are making the single stitch first, then single stitch, and then a single crochet increase, another single crochet, another single crochet, and a single crochet increase. So we are supposed to do single crochet increase 2 times. After we are done with doing that, we are going to make a half double crochet. So a half double crochet is similar to double crochet. You just need to yarn over once and pull through 3 loops at once. That's a half double crochet. So in double crochet what we do is we pull through 2 loops at once, but in half double crochet we are supposed to pull 3 loops at once, like so. So we are doing half double crochet and a half double crochet increase, followed by a double crochet and a double crochet increase 2 times again, a double crochet increase, like so. So another set of double crochet in the next stitch and a double crochet increase in the next. Once we are done with this pattern, we reach the center. Now we are going to yarn over twice on our hook to make a triple crochet like so. Now we are going to put that in the stitch and pull through 2 loops 3 times. That's our triple crochet. Now in the next stitch we are going to put 3 triple crochets. So this is our triple crochet number 1. Oh wait, I made a mistake. So yarn over twice, not once, yarn over twice. So 1 2. Now we are going to put the triple crochet. So pull through 2 loops, pull through 2 loops, pull through 2 loops 3 times. That is a triple crochet. We are going to put 3 triple crochet in the same stitch. Once we are done with that, in the next stitch we are going to put another triple crochet. So whatever we did in this particular half, we are going to repeat that. So a triple crochet, which is pulling through 2 loops 3 times. Now we are going to repeat all the steps that we did in the previous half again. So a double crochet followed by an increase 2 times. Another double crochet followed by the increase. Similarly, we are going to do a half double crochet, which is putting stitch and pulling 3 loops at once, followed by a half double crochet increase. Sometimes my yarn gets stuck, so I have to use my finger to just pull that. So another half double crochet followed by a half double crochet increase. Now we will do a single crochet followed by a single crochet increase twice and ending it with a slip stitch. It's a very easy tutorial. I hope you will find it easy to make. There are no complicated stitches involved. If you are familiar with single crochet, double crochet and triple crochet, this is gonna be very easy for you, I hope. Now in the next row, we are simply changing our color to light green yarn and doing single crochet in all the stitches. So the count of these stitches are 35. So we are going to make 35 single crochets followed by a slip stitch. So it's nothing complicated, just single crochets in each stitches just to make an outline, and it really makes a big difference. You can skip it, but I will not recommend if you want a very beautiful effect on your peacock feather. So it's simply single crochets all the way till the end. This is our final row. We are going to change our color to darker green color, and we are making 3 half double crochets in individual stitches. So one, this is our second half double crochet, and this is our third half double crochet. So yarn over once, put in the stitch and pull through 3 loops at once. And after we do that, in the next stitch we are going to put 2 double crochets in that. So our double crochet number 1, no, we only put 1 double crochet in this particular stitch, and then do 3 chains. So once we do the chain 3, we will find a loop just below our first chain. We are going to pass our hook through that and make a slip stitch. This is called a peacock stitch, which will make that particular point on your peacock feather, like so. We are going to slip stitch, pull through, and then slip stitch. Now we are going to do a double crochet in the next stitch. Now another double crochet in the next. Now we are going to repeat. We are going to make chain 3 again. So 1, 2, 3, and then again we will find that particular loop which is right below our first chain and slip stitch through that loop as well. Now we are going to repeat this pattern till the middle again. So we will make 8 peacock stitches. Very easy. If you see that, a double crochet, 2 times double crochet, and then chain 3, you will find that particular stitch below, and then slip stitch. That is a peacock stitch. See, like a loop, you will easily be able to find that. Pass your hook through that and slip stitch. So we will repeat this pattern 8 times. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops, which is our double crochet. Again yarn over, in the next stitch double crochet, then chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and you will find a loop right there and slip stitch. That is the pattern to make that point on your peacock feather. Done doing it 8 times, that particular stitches. Now we are right in the center and we'll make the biggest picot stitch here. So in this stitch we are going to place a double crochet like we did before. We are just repeating another double crochet in the next stitch. Then we do chain 4. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is our biggest picot stitch. You will find a loop right there and we are just going to do a slip stitch. Now we are going to yarn over in the next in the same stitch. We are going to place another double crochet, 2 times double crochet in the same stitch where we did this particular picot stitch, and then we are going to do another double crochet in the next stitch and another double crochet in the next stitch, followed by a chain 3, one, 2, 3 and then a picot stitch. So we are again repeating it 8 times. So in the middle stitches what we did was we made 2 double crochet first and then followed by a chain 4, we slip stitch and in the same stitch we did double crochet again, so that we get a perfect balance between our other set of 8 picot stitches. So it will look more even as you see. So just keep repeating and then do the slip stitch and we are done. After the slip stitch you can cut the yarn, and yeah, there you go, your peacock keychain is ready. You can attach a keychain or you can also make it bigger to make a coaster. Tutorial you find it helpful and make sure to subscribe and like. Thank you.